Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, let me go back, we have to scroll and find the display. Let's tap. Now let's scroll and find Eye Comfort Shield, as it is the name of the eye comfort mode or the night mode in this device. So let's tap on the switcher, and from now on this option is active. You can see that the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. However, the changes are not really well visible. So let's tap on the Eye Comfort Shield, and you can see that here we've got two different modes. This is the adaptive one, which is automatic option, and that's why the changes are not really visible. So let's tap on the custom, and now we've got this color temperature section, a switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. It's almost orangish. As you can see, now we can really spot the changes. So this is the customization. We can turn on this option, enhanced comfort, which means that your device will simply adjust the color tones and the contrast, which will be more comfortable for you for viewing at night. So it's totally up to you whether you want to use it or not. And you can also set the schedule. So the always on is the manual option. Let's say you have to manually turn it on and off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and as you can see, it is location based. Your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I don't want to do it. And you can set it also the custom option, so you can choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. So this is how it works, and let me choose always on, and this is the whole customization. If you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully. So here you've got all of the icons, and the Eye Comfort Shield is the icon we are looking for. So let's simply tap on it. Your device will apply this option, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.